Hey guys, it's me, Jamie. I figured while we're here stuck in quarantine that I'll go ahead and do me a makeup video. I'm using my alien palette from Jeffree Star, and I've already done my eyebrows off camera, so let's go ahead and jump into my eyes. I'm going to start with this color Flying Saucer, and I'm just going to take that and I'm going to blend it into my crease on both of my eyes. Now that I've done that, I'm going to go into the color Probe, and I'm just going to darken up the outer corner of my eyes, and I'm going to do that to both of them as well. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to get my concealer and my concealer brush, and I'm going to cut the crease of both of my eyes. And I do mine a little differently, as you'll see, because my eyelids are kind of hooded, as you would say. So this is how I do it for me. Golly, it would help if the people could see what you were doing, Jamie. I'm sorry, y'all. Y'all gonna see as the time going. Y'all see what I did, and I'll show you how on the other eye as well. So now that I'm done doing that, I'm going to go in with the first color that I'm going to use on my cut crease, and I'm going to go in with that beautiful green color Alien. And what I'm going to do with that color is I'm going to put it right on the edge of the cut crease and blend it into the black. Now I'm going to take another brush and I'm going to get another color to put on the inner corner of the cut crease, and I'm going to take this gold color UFO and I'm just going to put that right on the front of the cut crease. I'm going to take this small brush now and I'm going to go in with another color for my inner corners, and I'm going to use the color Abduction. Now I'm going to go in with my foundation, and the foundation that I use is the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define, and I love this foundation because it's like a concealer and a foundation all in one. Y'all, please do not judge my dirty beauty blender. And as you see, I just take the little wand and I just distribute it on each side of my face, and I use it to kind of clean up where my eyeshadow got a little cray, and then I just blend it in. And I'm going to do the same exact thing to this side of my face, clean up my eyeshadow and distribute it, and then I do just like 3 dots on my forehead, and I always make sure that I blend it to my neck. We're going to take us some concealer and we're going to get rid of those bags, girlfriend. I just take the concealer and I put it underneath both of my eyes, but I do also take it and I put it like right by my nose, and then I put it where my peach fuzz usually would be, so it doesn't make it look like you have peach fuzz. And I've recently started doing this and I've become to really like it. And I don't put any of the concealer like on my nose or anything because I wear glasses, so you can't really tell if that part of my face is highlighted. Now that you've done that, we're gonna set it all in place. The setting powder that I use is Airspun. It's the best stuff ever. It lasts forever. It is cheap and it just works the best. And I'm just gonna put this under both of my eyes, and I tend to put some like on the edge of my nose because it helps keeps my glasses in place. So I'll just put it under my eyes, and then I'll put it on my chin and my forehead where I put the concealer. Now I'm going to take my big old powder brush and I'm going to set it into my face. I usually start with my chin and then my forehead, and I save my eyes for last because that's where I put most of the concealer at. And when I get done with all of that, I just take the brush and pat it all over my face so I can make sure all of the makeup is set in. So now I'm going to dip back into my alien palette, and I'm going to take the color Flying Saucer and Abduction, and I'm just going to use those two to smoke out my bottom lash line. Now I'm going to take my contour palette from BH Cosmetics, and I'm going to contour my face up. And with doing this, the easiest way for me to do it is that I take the product and I put it on my brush, and then I make like a little fishy face, and then I just kind of contour on those lines right there. Then I also take it and I blend it up towards my temple, and I'll do that on both sides of my face, and then I'll contour my forehead a little bit too. And if you feel like you did the most, like me, you could just take that same powder brush, it'll have a little bit of translucent powder on it, and just tap it across your forehead, and that'll kind of clean it up a little bit for you. Now it's time for my favorite part, the highlight. I take the Juvia's Place highlight in the color Clio, and I love this highlighter so much. Oh my gosh. I don't even use a brush for this. I just use my fingers because I feel like I get the most out of it doing it that way. It's so beautiful. Oh my gosh. And me being extra, I gotta go back in and do it again. If y'all know me, y'all know I love my highlighter. So now I'm gonna go do my eyelashes off camera and I'll be back for lipstick. Y'all, who do I think I am? I'm not no makeup artist. Anyways, I'm gonna go in with a lipstick and I'm gonna do a nude lip since my eyes are so dramatic. So I'm gonna go with my Jeffree Star lipstick, and this shade is in Christmas Cookie. I use this color all the time. That's pretty much it, you guys. I was bored. I was like, why not make a makeup video? So let me know if you guys liked it.